Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your LG Gram laptop. So since there is no native application for checking temperature on LG, not that I know about, we're gonna have to download and install a third-party app, so make sure that you have an internet connection on your device. Open the search engine on your computer and search for the CoreTemp application. You'll find it on the official allcpu.com website. Open it, then click download on the main page. The setup file will be downloaded, and once it's downloaded, click on it to open. Then you can close your browser and click yes. Next. Read and accept the user agreement to continue. Then select the folder where you want to install this program, or you can just go with the default path. Click next. Now let's check and uncheck some checkboxes. If you want a desktop shortcut, leave this checkbox checked. I'm gonna uncheck it. If you want to install any additional language packs, you can also leave this one checked. Otherwise, just uncheck it, then click next, then click install. Next once again. Let's uncheck readme, we're not gonna need it, and click finish. And now, in this program, there are two parts of this program. As you can see, there are basically two parts of the window. The top one tells us the basic info about your device's processor, and the one below will show you the temperature of each core of your processor. So the first column of the table shows you the current temperature of each core. The second one shows you the minimum registered temperature of each core. Now this data is not super valid since you just installed this program, so it's basically just it's mostly the same temperature that you see right here. Here is the maximum registered temperature for your for each core. Here is the average one, and here is the load for each core of your processor. And that's basically how you can read the temperature of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.